Oh yes, how are you my people? Once again, karibuni zaidi na vile vile karibuni sana ndani ya Steve K Media. My name is Steve Kinyanjui, and as you can see from this video, nimeweza kuchukua a phone or a new phone that is Redmi 14C purposely for doing the content. Itakuwa ina serve the purpose ya camera. So the essence ya kuchukua hii video or rather hii simu, it was simply for content creation. I know it might not be the best, lakini I believe that it will serve the purpose. So that the receipt ambayo nimeweza kufanyia the payment. And as you proceed with this video, I just want to say thank you very much. I want to say thank you very much. You guys, you have indeed been a good and a loyal family, because as we speak, we already at 7.3k subscribers. So road to 10k subscribers. Juzi tu tumetoka 1900 subscribers. We are now at heading to 10,000 subscribers, and currently tuko 7.3,000 subscribers. So as I said earlier, nilikuwa nimewaeleza kwamba we shall be doing I will be doing or rather going directly on deep into content creation. So that's basically the reason as to why nimeweza kwa kuchukua this phone, ili niweze kwa kufanya the shooting kutumia this phone different from the phones ambazo tunatumia nyumbani. So this is Redmi 14C. It's a phone ambayo inafanya kazi nzuri katika upande wa videos, na mtakuwa mkiona wakati tutakuwa niki-upload more videos. So if you are getting this content directly from TikTok, unaweza ukatembelea Steve K Media at YouTube, and from there you can subscribe into this channel and become one of our big family. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers. So that is basically how the phone looks like. Sio simu mzito sana na vile vile sio simu light sana, but ni simu mzuri ambayo I believe ita function kazi ambayo tumeweza kuchukua hii simu. The reason ya kuichukua hii simu ni kwa sababu ya kufanya content creation. So kwa mfano, if I'm heading to somewhere and I want to do some vlogs, simu ni rahisi kutumia kuliko kamera. The Canon, the Nikon. Ukisema ni kuchukua such a camera, itakubidi kila wakati umekuwa na camera person, lakini wewe mwenyewe kuwa na simu, it's easy to do the vlogs, it's easy to do the shootings mahali popote ambapo unatembelea. So that's the essence of this. So I'm so excited to bring this news onto us, and very much excited because of also how you guys have shown us love in our channel Steve K Media. You guys metufikisha 7.3k subscribers. Imagine 7,300 subscribers in just 1 week. So tunasema asante sana. This is Redmi 14C, 16GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. So in terms of storage, I know it will do a good work. Vile vile upande wa camera, I believe that it will also serve us at the time being. Vile vile kama storage itakuwa ni kidogo, we can also have a backup, or rather we have a backup from my laptop. So the laptop iko na 500GB, hii simu iko na 256GB. We also have a flash 1TB, not a flash but yeah. So if it's mambo na storage, iko sorted. That is it. So usisahau kuingia kwenye channel ya Steve K Media. Unaingia pale, unafanya the subscription, then you join into this family of Steve K Media. My name is Steve Kinyanjui. Yes, my son was also excited kidogo seeing this, and I believe that from Sai, the content about tukileta, by the way, we still have a video about tujafanya video ya house tour, full house tour, furnished house tour, nyumba ikiwa na kila kitu. So yeah, so nitakuwa nikifanya hiyo video, but for now wacha kwanza tupate the camera, then from there tukiwa na a good camera, I believe we can do some good job tukionyesha kila kitu. For now it's a bye bye. Continue subscribing into this family.